Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tech, gadgets, and lifestyle recommendations to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into dental health and checking out the top 5 best electric toothbrushes of 2025. Whether you're looking for affordability, innovation, or premium features, we've got you covered. Stay tuned till the end to find out which one takes the top spot. Let's get started. And, of course, don't forget to check out the links in the description below for the best deals on these electric toothbrushes. Coming in at number 5, we have the Oral-B Pro 1000. This classic is an all-time favorite for those on a budget. It offers a powerful clean with its 3D cleaning action that oscillates, rotates, and pulsates to break up plaque. It's simple, reliable, and perfect for those new to electric toothbrushes. Plus, it has a built-in timer to make sure you're brushing the dentist-recommended 2 minutes. This innovative electric toothbrush removes up to 100% more plaque along the gum line compared to a manual toothbrush, ensuring your teeth stay brilliantly clean and your gums are well protected. Effectively targets hard-to-reach areas for a thorough clean where rectangular manual brushes can't. Built-in gum pressure control automatically reduces pulsations to safeguard your gums when you brush too hard. Choose from 3 cleaning modes to suit your unique oral care needs, whether it's a deep clean, gentle touch, or surface polishing. Stay on track with a built-in timer that reminds you every 30 seconds to switch brushing zones for consistent coverage. Customize your routine with interchangeable Oral-B brush heads tailored to whitening, sensitivity, or everyday cleaning. Join millions worldwide and experience the superior performance of Oral-B, the #1 dentist-recommended brand. Elevate your daily routine with a toothbrush that combines advanced technology, ease of use, and lasting results for a smile you'll love to show off. At number 4, we've got the Philips Sonicare Protective Clean 6100. This toothbrush combines advanced technology with a sleek design. With its 3 brushing modes and 3 intensity settings, it's perfect for sensitive teeth and gums. It's equipped with a pressure sensor to ensure you're not brushing too hard. And the best part? It's Bluetooth-enabled, so you can track your brushing habits through the Sonicare app. Elevate your oral hygiene with the Philips Sonicare Protective Clean 6100, the perfect blend of advanced technology and sleek portability. Designed for adults who prioritize effective plaque control and convenience, this rechargeable electric toothbrush is your ultimate partner for healthier teeth and gums. Harness the power of Sonicare technology to remove plaque effectively, leaving your smile cleaner and brighter after every use. Enjoy consistent cleaning power with the easy-to-use rechargeable battery. No need for constant replacements. Its compact, travel-sized design makes it the perfect companion for on-the-go oral care. Whether you're at home or traveling, your routine never misses a beat. With a medium firmness brush head, it's ideal for effective cleaning without compromising comfort. Invest in the Philips Sonicare Protective Clean 6100 to enjoy a professional-level clean every day. Compact, powerful, and designed for modern living, it's oral care made simple and effective. Taking the 3rd spot is the Waterpik Sonic Fusion 2.0. This innovative device is a game-changer. It's a toothbrush and water flosser in one. Not only does it clean your teeth effectively with sonic technology, but it also uses water pressure to clean between your teeth and along your gum line. If you're someone who hates traditional flossing, this might be the perfect solution. The innovative device that combines the cleaning power of an advanced sonic electric toothbrush with the proven effectiveness of a Waterpik water flosser. It's the ultimate 2-in-1 solution for cleaner teeth, healthier gums, and a brighter smile. Seamlessly transition between brushing, flossing, or doing both at the touch of a button, offering comprehensive oral care with unmatched convenience. Choose from 3 modes: brush, floss, or brush and floss simultaneously for a personalized, effective clean every time. Up to 2x as effective as traditional brushing and flossing for plaque reduction and gum health improvement. Waterpik is the #1 recommended water flosser brand and proudly holds the ADA seal of acceptance, ensuring safety and effectiveness. Rechargeable handle with a 2-minute brushing timer and 30-second pacer. 10 water flosser pressure settings provide 60 seconds of flossing time. Includes a 16-ounce removable water reservoir 2 flossing brush heads, 2 brush head covers, a travel case, and a magnetic storage post. Whether you're at home or on the go, this all-in-one device makes advanced oral care simple and effective. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty and Waterpik's Colorado-based support team, it's a reliable solution you can trust. At number 2, we have the Philips One by Sonicare. This toothbrush is portable, affordable, and designed for convenience. Whether you're at home or traveling, it's perfect for a quick and effective clean. It's powered by a single AAA battery and comes in vibrant colors, making it a stylish option. Don't let its simplicity fool you. It delivers a solid performance. Designed for convenience and performance, this sleek toothbrush offers a gentle yet effective clean that's a significant step up from manual brushing. Micro vibrations and soft nylon tapered bristles gently polish teeth, leaving your smile brighter and your teeth thoroughly cleaned. A built-in 2-minute timer with 30-second notifications ensures you brush for the optimal time in every quadrant. Lightweight and compact, the Philips One fits perfectly into its travel case, so you can enjoy a fresh, clean feeling wherever you go. Powered by a single AAA battery, this toothbrush provides up to 30 days of use on a single charge, perfect for travel or everyday use. Includes 3 brush heads, 1 pre-installed and 2 additional replacements, ensuring you're covered for up to 9 months of consistent brushing. The midnight blue handle and matching brush heads deliver a modern, stylish appearance that fits seamlessly into your routine. Take your brushing experience to the next level with the Philips One by Sonicare, a smarter, stylish way to achieve a cleaner, brighter smile at home or on the go. And finally, the crown jewel of 2025 electric toothbrushes, the Oral-B IO Series 10. This premium toothbrush offers everything you could want and more. With real-time AI tracking, a smart pressure sensor, and multiple brushing modes, it delivers a personalized clean like no other. The sleek display and magnetic charger make it feel like the future of oral care. It's pricey, but if you're serious about dental hygiene, it's worth every penny. Experience the pinnacle of oral care with the Oral-B IO Series 10, a cutting-edge electric toothbrush designed to deliver superior cleaning, gum protection, and personalized guidance for your best smile yet. Remove up to 100% more plaque in just 1 week and up to 4x more along the gum line compared to a manual toothbrush. Achieve a brighter smile by effectively removing surface stains with the dentist-inspired round brush head. Enjoy real-time feedback with IOSense technology, providing insights on coverage, time, and pressure via the charger. No need to open the app. Tailor your brushing experience with settings like daily clean, sensitive, gum care, whitening, and more for optimal performance. The built-in pressure sensor signals if you're brushing too hard, too soft, or just right, ensuring a safe and effective clean every time. The charging travel case and 3-hour fast charger make it perfect for brushing on the go with an always visible battery level display. Includes 4 replacement brush heads to keep your brushing routine consistent and effective. Revolutionize your oral hygiene routine with the Oral-B IO Series 10 rechargeable electric toothbrush, the ultimate in advanced technology, convenience, and care for a healthier, whiter smile. So there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best electric toothbrushes in 2025. From budget-friendly options to cutting-edge tech, there's something here for everyone. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.